Most people misunderstand what it means when the price of gold goes up. They assume gold is becoming more expensive, but that's not what's actually happening. You're reading it backward. Because gold doesn't really change in the way people assume it does, what actually changes is the value of the currency used to measure it. Gold is the constant reference point. The dollar is what moves against it. So when you see gold at $2,000, then $3,000, and higher over time, it isn't gold increasing in value. It's that it takes more dollars to buy the same thing, which simply means the currency is losing purchasing power relative to gold. And gold is just revealing that relationship. It behaves less like a price that moves, and more like a mirror that reflects what money is doing underneath the surface. When the currency weakens through inflation, debt expansion, and monetary policy over time, the change shows up in gold pricing, not because gold is changing, but because the unit measuring it is. That's why the instinctive question people ask, "Why is gold going up?" is actually the reverse of what's happening. The more precise question is why the same amount of currency now buys less of it than before. Because once that relationship becomes clear, gold stops looking like something that's rising and starts looking like something that's stable. A signal that exposes movement elsewhere, not a speculation, just a reference point. And when you see it that way, the entire chart flips. Not because gold changed direction, but because your interpretation finally aligns with what's actually happening. And if you want to understand how to get started with purchasing physical precious metals for direct delivery, or how gold and silver can be held inside a retirement account, you can reach Jefferson Gold directly at 855-994-4562 or visit jeffersongold.com. The American Gold Council has recognized Jefferson Gold as the top precious metals company in the United States for 3 consecutive years, 2023, 2024, and 2025. At Jefferson Gold, the principle stays consistent in everything we do: education first, transparency always. Jefferson Gold.